Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering. On the application of Authenticator, you will click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you can search about Authenticator and you will enter here. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on First Stop on Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn on your your Wi-Fi, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.